Makikimafia na ako!
Why are you here?
Pamilyar sa akin yung lugar na to.
And you think this place has answers to your questions?
Finally, you have the courage to pull out your gun.
Sino ka?
Ano? Sige. Sige. Saan ako didiretso? Saan kayo?
Whether you like it or not, wife, life is really not fair.
Kung hindi kayo, sinong pumatay?
Patay?